My name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today is a double haul. Let's get into it. So today's video we have a quilt shop haul and a thrift store haul. Let's start with the thrift store. This thrift store is super cute. It's in, I believe it's in Millsboro, Delaware. My favorite part is that they actually have thrift store prices. If you've been to some of the thrift stores in Northern Virginia, the prices are not it. Like, they're gonna charge you the same amount that you would get charged for stuff that's brand new. And they didn't charge me for this bag. This bag was just like how they package stuff up. But I got $20 worth of fabric. I'll show you a picture of the fabric section. I could not believe how much fabric they've had. I've been quite successful at this thrift store, not with fabric. This is the first time I found fabric, but I've gone previous time and gotten some good books there. So the hours are really bad. They're only open like 2 or 3 hours, and it's not posted online. So you have to like go, like if you're on vacation in Bethany and then you go the first day and just go take a picture of the hours, that's when you can go. And it's a very short window of time. I think it's like 12 to 3 Monday through Saturday, and everything's closed on Sunday, right? So yeah, anyways, this first fabric is huge. Let me get a pair of scissors. I don't know. Oh, here's the price. The other thing I was amazed at is the fact that they said how big each piece was. So on each one of these labels, like this one is 2 7/8 yards, so almost 3 yards, $3. That's $1 a yard. And they have it like on the little labels. I have only seen this like once or twice where they like tell you how much the fabric is, and I think that that is absolutely amazing. I have no idea what I'm going to do with this fabric, but I loved how big of a piece it was. It's got like these little chevrons on it. It's kind of like a thicker upholstery fabric, but it's like soft, kind of like what you would use to like cover a chair or something. Although I think you could make an article of clothing out of it. I don't know. I just could not pass up that it was almost 3 yards and it was $3. That is insane. And it's such a pretty color. This guy here is 1 3/4 yard, $2. This one is pretty boring. You know, it's just a brown quilting cotton, but I love picking up solids when I see them because it's super helpful when I'm making something that has 2 patterns. Like my wine bags, there's the exterior pattern and the interior. Tissue pouches, they're the interior and the exterior. I love having solid fabrics to add to my collection to match it with patterns. This guy here is 7/8 yard, $1. This one's cool. It's quilting cotton once again, and it isn't textured, but it has a textured look to it. So there's no texture to it, but it has a textured look. Really good piece. This one, 1/2 yard, 50 cents. I think this is gonna make some really good jar openers and tissue pouches. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Love it. Quilting cotton once again. Then there's these 2 guys. Okay, this one, 1 1/4 yards, $1. Some cheetah print. It's not my thing, but other people are into it, so that'll be good. This one, once again, I feel like would make a really good interior pattern. It's very like bland. It could go with a lot of stuff. This is 2 yards, $2. Quilting cotton once again. I think that'll make really good wine bag interiors. Okay, this guy here, 1/2 yard, 50 cents. Once again, I feel like this is a really good lining fabric. Or even a jar opener. Oh, I didn't realize it had leaves on it. That's really cool. Hold on. There we go. This is actually really cool. It's very whimsical looking. That's cooler than I thought. And then this bag here, it says 2 1/2 yards, $3. I'm really hoping that this is one piece. Oh, good. Okay. It gets me nervous sometimes when they have stuff in bags, like if it's cut up into multiple pieces. Look at these. I thought it was just bunnies, but it's not just bunnies. There's bunnies and ducks. It's like a Christmas time fabric. Super cute. That will make some really great wine bag, tissue pouches, jar openers. Perfect. And then we have two project panels, kind of. They're not really project panels, but they're gonna go in the project panel bin. And you know, we're gonna do all the project panels in August. I'm super excited about that. I think both of these guys were $1. Yeah, $1 and $1. Okay, check this out. I thought these were too cute and dorky to not get. This one is a rocking horse. You're meant to cut it out and put it on sweaters. How iconic. Imagine like matching sweaters with these dorky looking rocking horses. Oh, it's so funny. I don't know what I'm gonna actually do with it. Maybe put it on a tote bag or something. I couldn't not get it. I feel like it's like such a classic like 80s or 90s ugly Christmas sweater. So funny. Okay, this one is $1. And you can see both of these were used. This one is the same concept, but they're cowboys. I was cracking up. They're so stupid looking. I can't wait to put these on something. I think it's hilarious. Okay, so let me know what you guys think I should put them on. I don't want to put them on sweaters. So tell me what you think I should put them on in the comment section down below. Maybe, here's an idea. Remember the vest that I want to make? Someone in the comment section told me that she has this pattern and she wants me to make it. I have it queued up. I want to make it. I wish I had time to set aside to work on this. It's in the queue. But on the back of the vest, like what if I did like the brown fabric and then put the like horse on the back? Oh my God, that'd be so funny. Okay. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Oh, and then this is the last piece. So this one, 1.5 yards, $2. If you remember, where was that piece at? I'm trying to remember where that piece is at. Okay, the last haul that I did with the birthday fabric, remember that there was a remnant that looked like this, but it wasn't that much. And I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna be able to make with it because it's not a ton. I'm hoping that I could use this to fill in the gaps. So hold that thought for a second. Okay, resume. Remember this fabric here with the embroidered little bows? I was hoping that this, okay, it's a little off. It's a little bit different of a shade, but I was thinking like maybe this could be the primary panels and then this is like if I need extra fabric on the sides or something. I don't know, but I'm hoping that I can use these two pieces together to be able to make something. That's my thought. Because I had talked about with this, like making like a top and bottom set, but I don't think there's enough fabric here. So I don't know. Let me know if you guys have a pattern you think that I should use. But now we have, I don't know how much this was. I think this was like, it had to been less than a yard because it was a remnant. So let's say this is 1 yard and then this is 1.5 yards. Let's say we have 2 yards. Let me know a pattern in the comment section down below that can get me a top and a bottom with 2 yards of fabric. That's the goal with these guys. Okay, those are all the thrift store fabrics. I think that I had some really good finds. Next up is a quilt shop in, where was it at? Dagsboro. Dagsboro is like a really small town. You know, blink and you'll miss it. They gave me this cute gift bag, right? With the name of the shop. It's called Serendipity Quilt Shop and it has these little pieces of fabric on it. I got some really good finds here. So let's see. The first thing I got was some hand sewing needles because I do not know where mine went, and a little thimble because I'm working on a repair project right now, and so I needed these two. I need them. I've not finished it. And then I got this quilt pattern, which I liked that it was this small and it was only $2. And it's made with 8 fat quarters. So the example quilt was like really pretty, and I really liked the way that the like all of the coastal fabrics. I've never seen that many coastal fabrics in one store before, but I didn't want to buy the fabric and use like the expensive fabric on the first go, because you know that the fabric's like $10 a yard. So I'm gonna use 8 fat quarters from my stash to make the first attempt. I also want to make it bigger than what it shows, so you can see that there's squares, right? So the plan is to, instead of it being 9 by 9, to make it like 9 by 9, 3 by 3, to make it like 3 by 4, because I want to make it a queen top size. So I also, 8 fat quarters is not going to be enough. So anyways, I want to try and make this. I think it's very doable. It looks very simple to me. It's just a bunch of what are the words? What is that thing called? Flying geese? Is that the right? No, that's 2. Half square triangles. So I think I could definitely do this. I think it's really doable. I am not going to do, so I'm going to do the piecing of the panel myself, but I am not going to do the quilting, and then I'll do the binding myself. Those 2 parts I feel are completely doable. So put your suggestions in the comment section down below where you like to get your quilts quilted, because I am not going to do that. And I want to like compare prices and see what my options are. Okay, then we have some fabrics. So this one is a project panel. This one, I believe it was $10. I'm trying to look, there was like a little price tag on it. I don't know where it went. Pretty sure this was $10. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty positive. So we're gonna add this to the August pile for the panel projects. Look at that cute little tote, or not tote, pouch. So this little curved pouch you make from these 2 pieces of fabric, which is super cute. What you do with these square panels, I don't know. Oh, here's the price, $10. I am not sure what the purpose is. I don't know. So let me know what I should do with this one right here. It says, life is sweet to the core. And then there's life is sweet. What does it say? I can't read it. Like scattered seeds, memories bloom forever. That's what that says. And then there's just like a bunch of little lines. Are these maybe like you put them on the quilt to say that you made it? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. But these panels for the project are, oh God, I can't speak. The panels to make the pouch, we will be doing that in August. So this is going in the pile for the panel panel projects in August. Last up is kind of a project panel, but we're not going to wait till August. I am going to try and make this as soon as I can. So they had the example of this one hung up, and it was so cute. This was $13. And so it's to make a, what is it called? Bunting. So it's got all the little triangles, and then I had to get fabric for the back and for the binding. So I got this fabric here. So I'm also not going to pre-wash this because I want it to be as crisp as possible. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to take these triangles and I'm going to cut them out and cut out coordinating backing fabric. And then I'm also going to make binding out of this. And then whatever's left over with this, which I don't know how much there will be, I will serge it and pre-wash it and then add it to the stash for other projects. But yeah, this will be, I think, a super quick and easy project. And I think it's going to be so cute. So stay tuned. We're going to be doing this project very soon. But that is all of the things that I got. This cut of fabric, I want to say it was 1 3/4. I don't even know where the receipt went. I think it was 1 3/4 yard. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Yeah, but anyways, those are all the things that I got. Let me know what was your favorite fabric in the comment section down below. Let me know what projects you want to see with these fabrics. Let me know your thoughts on which pattern I should use for whatever I make from this purple set. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.